Hey guys, James here for another video. And look at this. I'm gonna be showing you this new epic mod. It's called lightning arrows. So yeah, I set this up. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put some lots of mobs here. See. What should I put? Eggs. Roast. Sorry, roast. Sorry, roasting pigs. Piggy, pigs. Pigs. There we go. So let's just go ham on those pigs. Boom! Oh, fudge, dude! Oh, zombie pigments, dudes. What the heck? This is ham. Okay, that's done. So yeah, that was it. That was done. So that was the mod slash dev at a arrow 2000. 2000, there we go. Oh shoot. Putting arrows. Nope, 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 no, 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 no. I'm taking this arrows off because wow, it doesn't need more in the middle instead of the sides. The 116 on you. Yup. Come on, we're done here. And look at this mod. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna spawn a pig. And look at this mod. Pig. Oh, pig. And guys, look at this zombie pigments. Oh, did you guys know if I shoot villagers with this, they turn gas? Okay, put a like button if you know. Sub to me if you like this video. I'm not ending it yet, but I want to see this. Oh, so it turns to a witch. Oh, stop moving, stupid villager. Oh, come on. Oh, villager. Hold still. Ah, what the fudge? Can't even shoot it. Hey, people. Hey, don't move. Thank you. Now, okay, I'm gonna spawn lots of villagers. What the heck? Okay, too laggy. Okay, I'm lagging, guys, so yeah. Run, okay, I need to kill this guy. Guys, come on, oh dang. Nope, nope. Ah. Oh, come on. Oh, I am lagging, so. Yeah, guys, just wait, guys. I'll be back in a second. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna skip this video for you. Okay, guys. Shoot. Ah. Okay, can't move. So slash kill at E. Okay, that was at A. Slash kill slash kill at E. Thank you. Okay, this is really dumb. Okay, guys, I'm back. I killed all those villagers with a slash TP command. It's the slash kill command. You won't use it, would you, for no reasons? Guys, this isn't James. It's his cousin. Oh my fudging god. Fudge. Oh my fudging god. Oh, fudge! Oh my fudging god. That was epic. Okay, guys, for the final finale. Hope you liked. Put a thumbs up on this video if you like it. If you don't, you suck. Okay? If you don't like my video, you suck. Got it? We got it. Don't worry. Okay, guys, I really appreciate it. So I'm gonna finish this video when I'm gonna do something really epic. So guys, here's I didn't down. This isn't a mod, just you know that. Okay, here's the resource. Is the thing. Here it is. You can download anywhere. Don't look at those. Profile, nope. Global resource. Shoot, where's my stuff? Stuff. Nope. No. Okay, here's my resource. Okay, though. Nope. Here's the behavior packs. You don't need this. I just tried it out. It's this Mind Wizard add-on by me a lot. Thanks to this guy, I can do that now. Oh wait, I need to do something. Yeah. So this been about to go in 10 minutes. Right about 3, 2, 1. Right now. 10 minutes. Yay. Now, see ya guys. I'm just gonna click these nuts. Oh. Okay, this is my skin. Okay, guys, imagine if you walk through this. Oh, you do. Oh. Guys, look at this madness. It's so epic. I want to stone shit. Guys, if you like my channel and everything I do, and sub the look like button.
Look like God.